Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your Doha Bank account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser as I have already opened the Microsoft Edge and bring up the search bar and type in Doha Bank login and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official link qa.dohabank.com. Just click on that first link. Now we'll be check onto the official website of Doha Bank. Now at the right side of our screen you can see the login button. Just click on login button. Now from over here you can log in either with your personal or your corporate and trade account. For now I'm going for personal account. For now I'm going for personal account. So I'm clicking on the login button. Now we will be check onto the new interface, which is the login page of Doha Bank. Now at the left side of your screen you can see the login form. Over here you just need to enter your username. Similarly enter your password over here. If you want to see your password or confirm your password, just click on I icon to see your password. And once you click on login button, you will be easily access your account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on forgot password to recover your password. Similarly click on forgot username to recover your username. If you don't have any account of Doha Bank, just click on register now button to create a new account. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.